What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is kind of a late post, even though it's been a while since I've actually posted on the channel. However, there's no time at the present than to reveal my latest build, which is the front wheel drive Civic. It is the same chassis that is on the Audi that I had before, but now since the car crashed, I made some changes, and this is the body that I'm using on it now. All of this stuff is customized by myself. That's what my channel is about anyways, is customizing cars to how we want them and to the vision that I have in our head, And this was the vision that I had in my head for the ff03 when I first bought the chassis and it came with a VW body. I was like, no, the real aim is to get it on a Honda body and to get a Honda body to go on this chassis. So there we have it. When the car crashed, my spirit was a little bit dampened, in the fact that I was down, so I was going to give the hobby a break, and I did. And but behind the scenes I was kind of building this car as well. This car took me a little bit over a month to put together. The setup that I'm running is still my 8.5 motor. It is a budget build. Right now I'm not really too enthused in spending a lot of money right now on this hobby, but whenever I have the time or whatever, but as a little put it together, and here it is. I will not go very in-depth in the electronics right now, but that's what it is. And there's a lot more content to come on this car. Like, share and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Leave a comment. Have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comment section. This is just my little budget build. Most people will be like, oh, why don't you run foams on the car? The car's not going to be fast without the foams. And I'm like, well, to tell you the honest truth, I'm doing things my way. I'm not about, just buying something and slapping on some tires and, okay, it goes fast, okay, on to the next. I like to try different things. And, I would like to see how fast I can get, these cars up to speed on rubber tires, especially on the 132 stretch. And then I can go over to foam. So it's not like I don't plan to go to foam tires or whatever. I do have them, I run them sometimes. But then, when the car is, was up, but I rather rubber tires, and that's just my preference. So, stay tuned. Everything is still stuck inside the car apart from the diff that I did customize and put back inside the car because the other one broke. So I don't know how far this one's going to take me, but in my shop and in my place where I am, I always have parts put down. So it's true that I always try to find different things to get the car going. And as I said, same old 8.5. The AC is a regular AC that I had around, but there was no fan on it. I put a fan on it now for maximum cooling. So so budget build, as I said before, things that I had lying around. But I am impressed with the speed of the car so far, but I really have to actually dial it in and tune it. So stay tuned for that. And as I said before, like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend.